Chapter 9. Comparison of adjectives. Adjectives change in form when they show comparison. Degrees of comparison add beauty and variety to sentences. Degrees of comparison are applicable only to adjectives and adverbs. Nouns and verbs do not have degrees of comparisons. Positive degree. An adjective is in the positive degree when there is no comparison. Comparative degree. An adjective is in the comparative degree when it is used to compare two nouns or pronouns. Superlative degree. An adjective is in superlative degree when it is used to compare more than two nouns or pronouns. We use the article the before the superlative degree. Formation of comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives. Adjectives usually form their comparative and superlative degrees. First, by addition of er and est to the positive degree. Bright, positive. Brighter, comparative. Brightest, superlative. Black, blacker, blackest. Bold, bolder, boldest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Cold, colder, coldest. Fast, faster, fastest. Great, greater, greatest. High, higher, highest. Kind, kinder, kindest. Long, longer, longest. Rich, richer, richest. Small, smaller, smallest. Strong, stronger, strongest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Tall, taller, tallest. Thick, thicker, thickest. Young, younger, youngest. Second, by addition of r and st to the positive degree ending in e. Positive, comparative, superlative. Brave, braver, bravest. Fine, finer, finest. Large, larger, largest. Nice, nicer, nicest. Noble, nobler, noblest. Pale, paler, palest. Simple, simpler, simplest. Wise, wiser, wisest. White, whiter, whitest. Third, when the positive degree ends in y and has a consonant before it, we change y into I and then add er and est. Costly, costlier, costliest. Dry, drier, driest. Easy, easier, easiest. Happy, happier, happiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Lazy, lazier, laziest. Mercy, mercier, merciest. Wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. Fourth, when the positive degree ends in a consonant with a vowel before it, we double the consonant and then add ER and EST. Positive, comparative, superlative. Big, bigger, biggest. Dim, dimmer, dimmest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Fifth, by addition of ER and EST to the positive degree when it ends in Y. Positive, comparative, superlative. Gay, gayer, gayest. Grey, grayer, greyest. Sixth, by adding more and most before the positive degree. Positive, comparative, superlative. Active, more active, most active. Attractive, more attractive, most attractive. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Brilliant, more brilliant, most brilliant. Careful, more careful, most careful. Courageous, more courageous, most courageous. Cunning, more cunning, most cunning. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Famous, more famous, most famous. Faithful, more faithful, most faithful. Important, more important, most important. Proper, more proper, most proper. Popular, more popular, most popular. Splendid, more splendid, most splendid. Suitable, more suitable, most suitable. Some adjectives do not follow any of the rules explained earlier. They are compared irregularly. Here are the different forms of such adjectives. Positive, comparative, superlative. Bad, worse, worst. Evil, worse, worst. Good, better, best. Ill, worse, worst. Far, farther, farthest. Well, better, best. Late, later, latest. Time. Late, later, last. Position. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. Many, more, most. Near, nearer, nearest. Old, older, oldest. Old, elder, eldest. Interchange of one degree to another. First, positive degree. When we speak about only one person or thing, we use the positive degree. Examples: this house is big. In this sentence, only one noun, house, is talked about. He is a tall student. This flower is beautiful. He is an intelligent boy. Each sentence mentioned above talks about only one noun. Second, Comparative degree. When we compare two people or two things with each other, we use both the positive degree and the comparative degree. Examples. A. This house is bigger than that one. Comparative degree. This house is not as big as that one. Positive degree. The adjective bigger is the comparative degree of the adjective big. Both these sentences convey the same meaning. B. This flower is more beautiful than that. Comparative. This flower is not as beautiful as that. Positive. The adjective more beautiful is the comparative degree of the adjective beautiful. Both these sentences convey the same meaning. C. He is more intelligent than this boy. Comparative. He is not as intelligent as this boy. Positive. The adjective more intelligent is the comparative degree of the adjective intelligent. Both these sentences convey the same meaning. D. He is taller than Mr. Baweja. Comparative. He is not as tall as Mr. Baweja. Positive. The adjective taller is the comparative degree of the adjective tall. Both these sentences convey the same meaning. When we compare more than two people or things with one another, we use all three degrees: positive, comparative, and superlative. Examples. A. This is the biggest house in this street. Superlative. This house is bigger than any other house on this street. Comparative. No other house on this street is as big as that one. Positive. The adjective biggest is the superlative degree of the adjective big. All the three sentences have the same meaning. B. This flower is the most beautiful one in this garden. Superlative. This flower is more beautiful than any other flower in this garden. Comparative. No other flower in this garden is as beautiful as this one. Positive. The adjective most beautiful is the superlative degree of the adjective beautiful. All the three sentences convey the same meaning. C. He is the most intelligent in this class. Superlative. He is more intelligent than other boys in the class. Comparative. No other boy is as intelligent as this boy. Positive. The adjective most intelligent is the superlative degree of the adjective intelligent. Both these sentences convey the same meaning. D. He is the tallest student in this class. Superlative. He is taller than other students in this class. Comparative. No other student is as tall as this student. Positive. The adjective tallest is the superlative degree of the adjective tall. He is the tallest student in the class. The word tallest is an adjective. Among the members of the group, Mr. Clinton speaks most effectively. The word effectively is an adverb. All the words used in the above examples are either adjectives or adverbs. We have understand all the three degrees of comparison now. Let us see their models. Model first, the best. Examples. A. This is the best hotel in the area. No other hotel is better than this one in this area. No other hotel is as good as this one in this area. B. Unemployment is the most serious problem our country is facing. Unemployment is more serious than any other problem our country is facing. No other problem our country is facing is as serious as unemployment. Model 2. One of the best. Examples. A. Kolkata is one of the largest cities in India. Kolkata is larger than most other cities in India. Very few cities in India are as large as Kolkata. B. Virat Kohli is one of the best batsmen in the world. Virat Kohli is better than most other batsmen in the world. Very few other batsmen in the world is as good as Virat Kohli. Model 3. Not the best. Examples. A. This is not the best solution to the problem. This is not better than a few other solutions to this problem. Other solutions to this problem are not as good as this one. B. New York is not the largest city in America. New York is not larger than many other cities in America. A few other cities in America are as large as New York.